A Consumer Website Guide. Chapter 1. Consumer Websites. Get consumer help. When people are desperate, they're easily manipulated. The most common consumer fraud occurs with people trying to lose weight, trying to look beautiful and young, women over 30, the most gullible demographic around, people with medical problems, people desperate for money, get-rich schemes, people who want to save money, get a great deal or get rich. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. You can get the free Consumer Resource Handbook from publications.usa.gov, 888-8 Pueblo. The main magazines are Consumer Reports, consumerreports.org, Consumer Guide, and Consumer Digest. The federal law for telemarketing and consumer fraud is U.S. Code, Title 15, Chapter 87, law.code/15/ch87.html. The FDA defines health fraud as the promotion, for profit, of a medical remedy known to be false or unproven. Try number 640 or TX335 at the library. Major consumer websites. You can get the free Consumer Resource Handbook from publications.usa.gov, 888-8 Pueblo. The main magazine is Consumer Reports, consumerreports.org. blogs.law.harvard.edu/schlep, The Self-Help Law Express. cbsnews.com, go to Consumer Watch. Checkbook.org, Consumer's Checkbook, provides articles and ratings for local services in the United States. clarkhoward.com. consumeraction.gov, Federal Consumer Action Handbook. consumerfraudreporting.org. consumerguide.com. consumerhealth.org, consumerismcommentary.com. consumer-reporter.com. consumerreports.org. consumersearch.com. consumersinternational.org, Consumers International. corpwatch.org. crimes-of-persuasion.com. disgruntledconsumer.com. en.wikipedia.org/wiki/list_of_consumer_organizations. ext.coloradostate.edu/pub/consumer. prepaidillegal.com, the Fraud Discovery Institute, investigating prepaid legal services. galegroup.com, 800-877 Gale publish the Consumer Sourcebook and Consumer Product Manufacturer Ratings. helpproviders.com. icphso.org, International Consumer Product Health and Safety Organization. info.gov, Federal Consumer Information. kimt.com/consumer. niceconsumer.gov, New York. otxresearch.com, a global consumer research and consulting firm. popwallet.com. publications.usa.gov/cfocus. scamguard.com. search.bbb.org, BBB Information System, how companies stand with the Better Business Bureau. socap.org, Society of Consumer Affairs Professionals in Business. state.id.us/ag/consumer/tips. worldconsumer.net. Consumer Websites 1. 800endfraud.com. aafcs.org, American Association of Family and Consumer Sciences. aarp.org/money/wise_consumer/scams. aarp.org, Consumer Protection. aarp.org/money/consumer protection. aarpelderwatch.org. aba.com/consumer+connection. abuse.com. accessbt.com/cep. aclu.org, American Civil Liberties Union. aconsumerfraudlawyer.com. acsh.org, Science and Health. actionfraud.org.uk. adbusters.org. afcpe.org, Association for Financial Counseling and Planning Education. ag.state.il.us/seniors, Illinois Attorney General, advocating for older citizens, Senior Citizens Consumer Fraud Hotline. ago.state.co.us. aham.org, Association of Home Appliance Manufacturers, Major Appliance Consumer Action Program. airconsumer.ost.dot.gov, Aviation Consumer Protection Division. alexanderlaw.com/nccc. americanconsumer.tv. americanconsumernews.com. americanexpress.com/corp/consumerinfo, American Express Consumer Credit Info. americasavies.org. andtheylie.com. answers.com/topic/consumer. antifraud.aicpa.org/resources, chartered public accountants. antiscam.net. antiscammers.com/online_check.html. hoax-slayer.com. arlingtonva.us/departments/libraries/sites/libraries sites bulletin.online.aspx. atg.wa.gov/teen consumer/index.htm, teen consumer info. badbusinessbureau.com. bank failures. bbb.org/library. bbb.org/complaints/file.html. bbb.org/complaints/consumer form. bbb.org/alerts, Better Business Bureau warnings. bbb.org, Better Business Bureau. bbbconsumereducation.com. bbbmbc.com/tips.htm, tips for homeowners. bbbonline.org. bizrate.com, reports on companies. Consumer websites too. consumerknowledgeandpower.html, consumer knowledge and power homepage for section exploring ethical food production. blogs.law.harvard.edu/schlep, the self-help law express. botus.com/consumer, mediation of consumer complaints about boats. boston.com/business/personal finance/consumer alert archive, consumer alerts. boycotts.org. britishcouncil.org/learn english-central-magazine-consumer-society.htm. business.com/directory/retail_and_consumer_services. bustathief.com. kgconsumer.com. cancel-it.com, how to cancel some services online. cost.org, Coalition Against Unsolicited Commercial Email Fraud. cbc.ca/consumers/market/files/home/shopping. cbc.ca/consumer-base-english/shopping_online.htm. cbc.ca/consumers/market/files/index.html. cbs4boston.com/consumer. cbs5.com/consumer. cbsnews.com, go to Consumer Watch. ccsnewyork.org/weblinks. cg.superpages.com, Consumer Guide, provides expert product reviews for thousands of products, as well as guides for new and used cars. checkbook.org, 800-213-7283. Consumer Magazine, great website. checkbook.org, Consumer's Checkbook, provides articles and ratings for local services in the United States. choice.com.au, Australia. chuckhardershow.com. citizen.org. citizen.org/hrg. ckfraud.org, check fraud. Clark Howard. Corn. clarkhoward.com. cleanclothes.org, watches for sweatshops. clverify.com/consumer-info.shtml. collectionscanada.ca/forgery/index-e.html, detecting the truth, fakes, forgeries and trickery. columbus-ohbbb.org. complaints.com. complaintsboard.com/articles, complaintsboard.com/videos, consumer.checkbook.org, helping consumers make informed decisions in the marketplace, consumer.gov, Consumer Information Clearinghouse, consumer.net, telemarketing, fighting back, consumer.state.ny.us, consumer.us.com, consumer-action.org, a non-profit, membership-based organization, consumer-fraud.legalview.com, consumer-guide-reports.com, consumer-lawyers.com, consumer-reporter.com, consumer-research-guide.com, consumeraction.gov, Federal Consumer Action Handbook, consumeraffairs.com, consumeraffairs.com/retail/national_chains.htm, consumer complaints about retail stores, consumeralert.org, consumer alert, consumerama.com, consumerconfidential.com, consumer education, consumerfed.org, Consumer Federation of America, consumerfraudreporting.org, consumerfreedom.com, Center for Consumer Freedom, consumerguide.com, consumerguidebooks.com, consumerhealth.org, consumerismcommentary.com, consumerhelpweb.com, consumerinfo.com, consumerinterests.org, American Council on Consumer Interests.org, consumerist.com, info about how to get consumer revenge on the internet, make an internet video, consumerjungle.org, consumerjusticegroup.com, heraldtimesonline.com/pages/hotline, consumerlab.com, medical, consumerlaw.org, consumerlawpage.com, consumerlawpage.com/brochure/index.html, consumer law page booklets, consumer websites 3, consumermediapublishing.com, consumernet.org, consumerprotection.info, consumerprotectionlawfirms.com, consumer protection law firms, consumerpsychologist.com, consumerratings.com, consumerreports.org, consumerreview.com, product reviews, consumerreviewz.com, consumersdefense.com, consumersdigest.com, consumersarch.com, consumer search, product reviews, consumersgroup.com, consumersguide.org, consumersinternational.org, Consumers International, consumersonline.gov.au, consumerspower.org/home_energy/billestimator.php, consumersunion.org/finance/state-laws.htm, state consumer protection laws, consumersunion.org, consumerwatchdog.org, consumerwebwatch.org, consumerworld.org.